Here is how to find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows laptop or PC. This is helpful if you want to connect other devices to your Wi-Fi network but don't have easy access to your router. So first, go to the search bar at the bottom of your computer, whether you're using Windows 10 or 11, it does not matter, and type in Control Panel, search for Control Panel and open it. Now click on Network and Internet or Network and Sharing Center. And on the right side, you'll see connections and your Wi-Fi network name. It will be different from the GR network. So click on your Wi-Fi network name, which is highlighted in blue color. A new window will pop up. In this window, click on Wireless Properties. Now go to the Security section and select this box and check this box of Show Cactus, and you'll be able to view the password of the Wi-Fi you're using. Your Wi-Fi password will then be displayed and you can use it to connect to other devices. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.